Island and find out. Oh, and one more thing. For those of you seated in the first several rows, you are in our splash zone, and there's a very good chance that you will get wet.
You are eager to explore and make new discoveries. Well, you have come. Join us on an adventure of discovery. Release your curiosity. Let your creativity flow. part of this heartbeat, and it connects us all.
Hi, I'm Nicky. Dolphins explore the ocean all over the world. No matter where they live, dolphins are curious, and their curiosity leads them to get creative.
For example, they can even use tools, like putting a sponge on their rostrum to protect the front of their faces as they dive down and search for fish hidden in the rocks and sand.
That's right, Helen. All that creativity inspires a deep connection, and they share their new skills with the whole dolphin community.
We are always finding new ways to change the environment and enrich the lives of the dolphins that live here. This could be with ice shapes, toys, jello, or even bringing other species of animals to meet them at the glass. The possibilities are endless.
These varied enrichment experiences encourage curiosity and play, which lead to creativity and learning, as you can see.
Ah, there's a ball.